Foam rolling your latissimus dorsi. You want to start the top portion on the side of your body, right where your lats come in. You want to roll all the way up to the top of the shoulder onto the arm, into the humerus. That's where the latissimus dorsi inserts. We're going to do 1 to 2 inch motions, slowly moving up, slowly adjusting the angle of the foam rolling, moving your body from side to side, making sure you hit any part that might be tight or holding tension. Then go all the way down towards the lower back and then rotate more to the side of your back. Rotate to the other side to get the other latissimus dorsi. Again, start at the top of the arm, small 1 to 2 inch motions, rolling all the way down into the back, and then move on a full range motion to make sure you get all the lat and release that tension in that area.